Share by Anthea Simmons and Georgie Birkett. I love my fluffy teddy, but baby wants him too. Share, says Mommy. So I do. And now my teddy's soggy and stick it up with food. I love my book of animals, but baby wants it too. Share, says Mommy. So I do. Now the book's all bendy and the pages sort of glued. I love my number puzzle, but baby wants it too. Share, says Mommy. So I do. Now the puzzle's messy and the pieces are all chewed. I love my snuggly blanket, but baby wants it too. Share, says Mommy. So I do. Now my blanket's yucky and soaked right through. My bestest treat for breakfast. Does baby want it too? Shall I share? I ask Mommy. So I do. But baby can't eat waffles. He's got no teeth to chew. I'm drinking from my cow mug. Does baby want to too? Shall I share? I ask Mommy. So I do. But baby can't do drinking, so now he's soggy too. I'm painting on my easel, and baby wants to too. Shall I share? I ask Mommy. So I do. Now baby's covered in paint, and his hands and feet are blue. I want a bath with bubbles, and baby wants one too. Shall I share? I ask Mommy. So I do. Now we're clean and shiny and warm and sleepy too. Baby's put in my bed, and I want to get in too. Share? Smiles baby. So I do. It's all cozy with my brother, and sort of special too. And we're laughing, 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 and I love him so. I do. Mommy comes to hug us, and we want to hug her too. Shall we share our mommy? So we do.